Hi, this is Kris here, and today we are going to teach you how to make a Roblox outfit in Brookhaven via outfit codes. So Brookhaven decided to update this, and now when you go to search, it's a bit tricky because sometimes the stuff that you want gets tagged out and it will not let you search it. So today we're going to show you how to do it with outfit IDs. These are going to be your best friend. So you might be asking, Kris, how do you get outfit IDs? Well, you go to your Roblox website. Okay. Once you get into the Roblox website, if it'll work, you need to go find the outfits you want to put on or the accessories you want to put on. So, here I am. So first we're going to start off with my hair. So the catalog ID for my hair will be this part of the link. You're going to copy this, paste the ID into right here. Boom. There's your hair. Now, you can fix other things like skin tone right here. If you want to add more things, you can. Like for example, wanna add a cute shirt? Here you go. Let me show you how to do it. So you just gotta go in here. You gotta go into clothes. You gotta go into this Roblox icon right here. And then you can find the outfit ID that you would like to use. 80600. Okay, that's that piece of it. Now if you want to go get your pants, just go in there. And the pant ID I'm going to use is 74842144744. There's your pant ID. Now if you want stuff like necklaces, gotta go under this accessory looking thing, the second to last button, and then go search up your accessory ID. My necklace ID is 18192529010. Boom. And then if you want a shoulder tag, you just have to go under clothes, search all accessories. It's not going to be here. Okay, so you're going to go under this and you're going to search. Boom. And that, my friends, is how you make an avatar. For any future adjustments like body size and stuff, you just gotta go into the Roblox catalog and move those yourself in the Roblox menu. But that's easy to do. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. And if you agree with me on this new Brookhaven system being annoying, comment down below. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you another day.